비행기 부기장으로 일하고 있는 주인공 토바이어스.
Hey.
Hey, my mom just texted. We didn't get the place in the kindergarten next door. It's super shit. It's a fucking disaster.
그는 아내인 객체와 함께 이번 비행을 떠나게 됩니다.
A nice airplane. 2 wings, 2 engines. Sounds good. You guys seem to know each other.
Yeah, we try to keep our professional lives separate, but
Are you married?
we're not married yet. But we have a boy at home.
어느덧 비행기의 이륙 준비가 완료되고
So departure briefing.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, we're on a 319. Technical and ECAM status is checked.
이들은 안전히 파리로 떠나기만 기다리던 중 지금까지 실은 승객 2명이 오지 않았다는 것을 알게 되죠.
What we're doing right now is trying to find them. I've them called out twice, but nothing so far. They were at the check-in quite early, so the luggage will be at the back of the plane, I guess.
So you have to take out a couple of containers.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
10 minutes, 12 minutes?
10, if it's there, yeah. 10, max 15.
굳이 승객들을 기다리기 싫었기에 짐을 빼고 출발하자는 기장.
We could probably wait for a few minutes at least, if you want to.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to wait. You know, it's just taking out the suitcases and then we decide. Maybe they just go with us and the suitcases stay here. I don't care. Sorry, not anymore.
Makes sense.
하지만 승객들은 타이밍 좋게 탑승구에 나타났고
Those are passengers? Looks like it, huh?
Cockpit for ground.
Go ahead.
As I can see, the 2 passengers finally turned up.
Yeah, I just saw them coming from the gate. Thank you, Mario. Did you take the suitcases out?
No, we haven't found it yet, so it's still on.
Shit, I would have loved to teach them a lesson.
이들은 늦게 나타난 승객들까지 탑승시켜 본격적으로 이륙을 준비합니다.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Your captain. My name is Michael Lutzman. On behalf of the entire crew and ESW, I'd like to welcome you on our flight to Paris. You've probably heard that boarding is completed. That means all passengers are on board. So we should be able to leave our position on scheduled time.
난기류가 예상됐지만 예정대로 이륙하는 비행기.
European 162 maintaining flight level 340.
European 162, stand by. We'll call you back.
Looks like we're past the bad weather, huh? You want to switch the seatbelt signs off? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah? Okay. Seatbelts auto.
안전벨트 등이 꺼지자 승무원들은 곧바로 기장의 기내식을 준비하죠.
So guys,
그때 승무원을 제치고 조종실로 들어오는 테러범.
European 162!
부기장인 토바이어스는 무사히 조종실 문을 닫는데 성공하지만 기장은 테러범에게 공격을 당해버리고 토바이어스는 소화기를 이용하여 조종실에 들어온 테러범을 잠재웁니다. 서둘러 비행기 고도를 낮추는 토바이어스.
European 162, what's your emergency?
We have a 7500.
Okay, understood. Could you explain what happened?
This is Tobias Ellis, the first officer speaking. The captain is injured, but he's okay. Several men attacked our cockpit. We stopped them for now. One of them is still in the cockpit. He's unconscious. The rest are in the cabin. Status of the crew, I don't know. I just hope they're safe in the back.
Understood. How many passengers are on board?
85.
Okay, where would you like to go to? To what airport?
그러고는 범인이 움직이지 못하게 조종실 벽에 결박시켜버리죠. 게다가 기장 마이클의 상태가 좋지 않아 본인이 직접 비행기를 조종해야 하는 상황에 놓인 토바이어스.
European 162, I'm with you again.
European 162, okay, I'll put you in the signature. Where do you want to go to?
I want to go back to Berlin.
Berlin's about 30 minutes. Hanover is closer, but reporting heavy rain.
그는 하노버로 경로를 바꾼 후 여기서 무사히 살아나갈 방법을 궁리하기 시작합니다.
Okay, do you know how the rest of the crew is doing?
Yeah, one flight attendant is wounded or probably dead.
The others, I still don't know. I hope they're safe.
Do you know how many attackers are on board?
I counted 4. There could be more in the back of the plane. I don't know.
Are they armed?
I don't know. I didn't see real weapons. It's glass. They made knives out of glass.
Okay, got it. 2 Eurofighter jets are currently on the way up minus 80 minutes.
Okay, I'm off radio for a second. I'm gonna...
Roger.
Mr. First Aid.
하지만 일이 잘 될 거라는 기쁨도 잠시 목숨을 잃어버린 기장 마이클.
Okay, that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna get you down.
토바이어스는 서둘러 심폐소생술을 시행해보지만 마이클을 살리기엔 이미 늦은 시간이었죠.
Hey! Hey! Now's the time, hey! Wake up! Wake up!
European 162, I'm with you again.
European 162. What's going on? What happened?
The captain is dead.
Sorry, Nova is informed. Expect runway 27R.
27R.
And let me know if there's anything we can do to help.
방금 전 의지하는 상사를 잃었음에도 승객들을 안심시키기 위해 방송을 시작하는 토바이어스.
We'll be making an emergency landing in Hanover in about 20 minutes. In the meantime, please try to remain calm. Fasten your seatbelts.
하지만 방송을 들은 테러범들이 비행기가 착륙하지 못하게 목숨을 가지고 위협하기 시작합니다.
European 162, they have a hostage. They're gonna kill him if I don't open the door.
I'm sorry, but you know that under no circumstances you are allowed to let them to the cockpit.
Yeah, I know that.
사람을 살리기 위해 테러범과 이야기해 보려는 토바이어스.
This is Tobias Ellis, pilot speaking. I'm sorry, I don't speak German. I'm American.
Where is Keenan? You can't land, do you hear me?
하지만 테러범들은 10초 안에 조종실 문을 열지 않으면 사람의 목숨을 빼앗아 가겠다고 엄포하죠.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't stop, please. Just stop. I can't open the door.
이 상황을 바꿀 수 없다는 것을 누구보다 잘 알고 있었기에 객실을 비춘 카메라를 꺼버리는 토바이어스.
Hello, you there?
Didn't open the door.
Listen, I've spoken to authorities. When we land and refuel, they'll take you anywhere you want to go. You can negotiate whatever you want. Okay? It's gonna be okay.
하지만 아무도 착륙하지 않길 원했던 테러범들은 새로운 사람의 목숨을 빼앗겠다고 말하며 토바이어스의 아내인 객체를 인질로 데려옵니다.
Let her go. Do you hear me? Let her go.
Then open the door.
토바이어스는 여자를 살려주지 않으면 조종실에 있는 그들의 일행의 목숨을 빼앗겠다고 말하는데
Let her go.
테러범과는 전혀 대화가 통하지 않자 이번에는 승객들에게 도움을 구해보죠.
They're going to kill a young woman, please. If you work together, you can beat them, please. Please come to the front of the plane. You can beat them, please. Please.
객체를 붙잡고 있는 남자가 안으로 들어가자 혼자 남은 테러범을 설득해 보려는 토바이어스.
No.
Why you don't open the door? You will kill
Listen,
everybody.
you don't want to do this. You don't want to do this. I can tell you don't want to do this. You don't want to kill that girl. She didn't do anything to you. You're better than he is.
남자는 일행을 말리는 게 맞을지 고민하기 시작하는데 차마 기다리고 있을 수만은 없었던 토바이어스는 기체를 흔들어 두 사람을 떼어내 보려 합니다.
Passengers, fasten your seatbelt.
용기를 얻어 동료를 저지해 보려는 남자.
Fight him, yes! Yes, fight him! Stop him now! Stop him! You can do it! You can do it! Please!
하지만 테러범을 막을 길이 없자 토바이어스는 결국 조종실 문을 열기로 결심하는데 애인인 객체는 자기 목숨 대신 승객들의 목숨을 우선으로 생각하며 기꺼이 희생하죠.
European 162 German air defense. Can you read me?
Positive, I reach.
We will escort you to Hanover Airport. Please follow.
Copy that.
때마침 조종실 한쪽에 묶여있던 테러범이 깨어나고 객석에서 도와달라는 일행을 구해주기 위해 본인이 직접 조종실의 문을 열기로 합니다. 그러기 위해서 자기를 저지하려는 토바이어스를 처리한 후
يلا هيا
남자의 도움을 받아 결박에서 풀려나죠.
Ist alles okay? Okay, beruhig dich, ich weiß. Ganz ruhig. Hey, hör mir zu. Bist du verletzt? Geht es dir gut? Geht es dir gut? Okay, hör mir zu. Hör mir zu. Hör mir zu. Hör mir zu. Du und ich. Es ist keiner mehr übrig. Nur noch du und ich.
둘이서라도 남은 목표를 이루어가려는 테러범.
Töte ihn. Töte ihn!
차마 토바이어스의 목숨을 가져갈 수 없었던 남자는 그를 움직이지 못하게 결박하고
Hallo? Ist da jemand? Hört mich wer?
European 162 hören. Mit wem sprechen wir?
Die Maschine ist jetzt unter meiner Kontrolle. Aber die Piloten sind beide tot, also macht euch keine Hoffnungen.
테러범은 자신의 메시지를 세상에 전달하기 시작합니다.
Diese heute rächen wir endlich den Tod unserer Brüder und Schwestern. Jeden Tag werden Muslime von euch abgeschlachtet. Doch heute werdet ihr erfahren, was es heißt, wenn eure Kinder und Familien verrecken. Euer verdammter Egoismus, eure verschissenen Lügen verursachen jeden Tag neues Leid. Aber jetzt sind wir dran. Jetzt werdet ihr für eure Sünden brennen. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
이후 비행기를 추락시키려는 테러범.
Kinan, ist das Richtige, was wir machen? Kinan, ist das richtig, was wir machen?
Vertrau mir, es ist richtig. Allah weiß, was richtig oder falsch ist, verstehst du? Und jetzt setz dich zu mir, Bruder, setz dich zu mir. Jetzt setz dich zu mir, Bruder, setz dich. Wer dachte, wieso hast du Angst?
하지만 남자는 이것이 옳지 않은 일이라는 걸 깨달아 버렸기에 테러범을 막아보려 했고 결국 그의 목을 찔러버리죠.
Was hast du gemacht?
Was will ich an? Was will ich an?
Was will ich an?
목숨을 잃어버린 테러범.
Hey! Untie me! Untie me! Come on, hurry! Hurry, come on! Get up!
토바이어스는 다행히도 비행기를 정상 궤도로 올려놓았고
This is Tobias Ellis, first officer of the airplane. I've regained control. One of the hijackers had been overpowered. The other one's here with me.
예정대로 비행기를 하노버 공항에 착륙시키려는데
Can't let!
Copy that.
We can't let!
이대로 체포당하는 것이 두려웠던 남자는 자기를 다른 곳에 내려달라고 말합니다.
You're in control, but we need fuel. Okay, I told you this before. We're gonna land, and then we put more fuel in the plane, and then you'll fly somewhere else.
You lied to me.
No, I didn't.
You lied to me.
No, that's what I said.
마지막으로 토바이어스를 믿어보기로 결심한 남자.
European 162, ILS
Gonna be okay.
278. And just that you know, the jet will stay with you until you're on the ground.
Copy that, 279.
토바이어스는 본격적으로 착륙 준비를 시작하죠.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your pilot speaking. The hijackers have control of the airplane, but they've agreed to an emergency landing in Hanover. Sorry, the landing's not going to be a smooth one, so please fasten your seatbelts and assume safety positions.
하지만 날씨 탓에 오토파일럿을 작동하기 힘들었고 팔을 다친 자기를 대신하여 남자에게 조종을 부탁하는 토바이어스.
Move it forward and back. It changes that percentage there, okay? So move it backwards now until that says 54. Slowly. Slow, slow, slow. Final altitude. Checked. Final checklist. Final landing. No blue.
European 162, contact tower 1245.
Negative, unable.
Okay, no problem. Then stay on this channel.
Shit, 70%. Thrust 70%. Now. 70. Easy.
이들은 함께 힘을 합쳐 비행기를 착륙시키기 시작했고
Okay, now when I tell you to, not yet, but when I say now, you pull it all the way back, okay? Not yet. When I say
300, 40, 30, 20,
almost
10, retard.
now. All the way back.
덕분에 모두가 안전하게 공항에 착륙합니다.
European 162, great job.
What are you doing?
I just took off my seatbelt, that's all. I just took off my seatbelt.
Come here! Now!
이후 경찰에게 무전이 오고
Ich heiße Alexander Franz und ich arbeite für die Polizei. Ich würde Ihnen gerne helfen. Sagen Sie mir, was ich für Sie tun kann.
Ich habe eine Geisel. Also tun Sie, was ich sage.
남자는 서둘러 비행기에 연료를 넣은 후 떠나게 해달라고 이야기하죠.
Ich gebe Ihnen 20 Minuten.
Ich werde wirklich alles tun, damit das klappt. Aber ich muss Ihnen ganz ehrlich sagen, wir brauchen mehr Zeit dafür. So schnell schaffen wir das nicht. Es tut mir
Nein,
leid.
20 Minuten. Wieso sollte das nicht gehen?
Das Ganze dauert leider seine Zeit. Ich muss einen Tankwagen bestellen, der muss aufgetankt werden. Dann fahren wir zu Ihnen. Ich möchte wirklich, dass Sie aus dieser Situation herauskommen. Aber das wird nur passieren, wenn Sie den Piloten nichts tun. Okay?
Okay, then stop it.
Haben Sie gehört, was ich gesagt habe?
경찰과의 무전을 꺼버린 후 처음으로 토바이어스와 대화를 나눠보는 남자.
What's your name? Tobias. What's yours?
My name is Vedat.
You should stop this. It'd be better for you if you stop now.
Can't.
You can.
I can't.
There's nowhere I can go. Not after this.
그는 만회할 수 없는 실수를 저질렀다는 생각에 눈물을 흘리기 시작합니다.
Eine Passagiermaschine auf dem Weg von Berlin nach Paris wurde gegen 20 Uhr von angeblich islamistischen Terroristen entführt. Nachdem eine Gruppe mutiger Passagiere einen Teil der Attentäter überwältigen konnte, ist das Flugzeug kürzlich in Hannover notgelandet. Wie ein Sprecher der Polizei soeben bestätigte, befindet sich ein Entführer zurzeit noch im Flugzeug, weshalb der Flughafen weiträumig abgesperrt wird. Schwer bewaffnete Sicherheitskräfte beziehen zurzeit Stellung. Erste Schaulustige haben sich
정말로 경찰차가 와 있는지 확인하기 위해 창밖을 보던 중 토바이어스가 몰래 숨겨둔 무기를 발견한 남자.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
It wasn't there before.
How do you know it wasn't there before?
It wasn't there
There's
before.
a lot of things on the
Why
floor.
did you do this to
I
me?
didn't do anything.
Why?
I didn't do anything.
그때 경찰이 비행기 앞에 도착하고 토바이어스가 무사한지 확인되면 비행기의 주유를 시작하겠다고 말하죠.
Stand up. Stand up! Listen!
Mr. Ellis, how are you?
Wo ist mein Tankwagen?
Ich werde nur das Zeichen geben, dass der Tankwagen losfährt und das Flugzeug betankt wird.
그때 남자에게 걸려오는 전화.
Jim. Siehst du, gib mich.
Was ist los? Wieso antwortest du mir nicht?
가족의 목소리를 들어서인지 남자는 점점 더 불안해하기 시작했고 토바이어스를 협박하기 시작합니다.
Wenn ich dich in 2 Minuten wegkrieg, bring ich ihn um. Ich bring ihn um.
Don't do that. You don't have to.
Don't move your arm.
Okay, okay.
Ihr verarscht mich. Ihr verarscht mich alle.
남자가 폭주하자 결국 총을 쏴버린 경찰들. 그렇게 남자는 목숨을 잃으며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 그는 범죄자를 선택한 것이 아니라 자기의 신념을 널리 퍼뜨리고 싶은 사람이었을지도 모릅니다. 하지만 그 끝은 너무나도 암울했죠. 여러분은 어떻게 보셨나요? 영화 7500이었습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.